I just talk to the people them and they still send things in a medium. Guys, we don't need to crush her over anybody. I already know who the person is. Her name is Miss Kartel. I know every fucking thing. Let me just... I don't even gotta... You see? I know the name. I know the page. I don't gotta do too much. I'm the internet. Like, I run shit. I know shit.
Okay, boom, viewers, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not from Kingmixup, it's not credible. And as you can see on the screen, it looked like one Kartel Punny Lease expire with Mika because now we see her and her with internet sensation Ivany ex-boyfriend. Problem in the comment section now because boy, Ivany seems to know what's going on and she's not going to add any fuel to the fire because she says she's not trying to give these people clout, especially over King, who all up in her DMs and ting, you see me?
Let's just put it like this. Oh, you poor, I gotta go change him. I'm gonna put it like this because I don't want someone to forget black. Because my moderator then quick for black people. I don't want to get black for care news. You see, when you see somebody want your attention, you don't give it to them. Just leave it like that. You don't give people your attention. Like, people do anything to crave your attention, and you don't remember, you know, especially when you are the clout. You get what I'm saying? Like, especially when you are the clout. Like, I'm me at the clout. So what that mean? Everybody I try to get a hype off of me. Everybody wants me crush out. Everybody want. You know what I'm saying? There's no need to crush out about anything when not relevant in my life or that's not in my space. So we don't made certain things. So if you want to get black, don't come over here and tell me anything or anything I don't need to know. I'm not crashing out. There's nothing to crash out about. I am the clout. When things not happen for somebody, then skip from one to one next one. Then try to do everything for try to get your attention. They left from American to 80, from 80 to African, no Ghana, Jamaican. Because the two of them work together for get me crash out. It not work, brother. Like, it just not work. It not work. There's no need to crash out. I know my man, I deal with him. I care what I want to do. The girl with my foot, they don't look better than me because I already know who the person is. I just now go expose our page for them go follow her. You get what I'm saying? Because that they want me to crash out so everybody can go follow for our page and everybody get clout off of me. It not go work. It not go work. It not go work. I'm not. No. There's no need. Because me know say we know the truth about everything. I got proofs, bro. I turn niggas down. I got proof. I turn niggas down. Even just a couple days, I turn niggas down. So when I know the truth and I got proof to show the truth, there's no need to come on the internet. There's no need to crash out over something that... So we just did the issue right this, right? Ice, mommy gonna change you right now and then you're gonna go upstairs. Hold on, guys. We need to change, Ice. Wanna change? What I need to focus on the match tomorrow. That's what I need to focus on tomorrow, the match. Come, boy. You see this? Come. Come now. Ice. I just talk to the people them and they still send things in a medium. Guys, we don't need to crush her over anybody. I already know who the person is. Her name is Miss Kartel. I know every fucking thing. Let me just... I don't even gotta... You see? I know the name. I know the page. I don't gotta do too much. I'm the internet. Like, I run shit. I know shit. Things gonna get brought to me. But I'm not gonna crush her. Ice, you need to come so that I can change. Look at this. Ice, come. Oh, Jesus. Hello, Mr. Fi, come. Bye-bye. Bye.
Yeah, as I said, people, it look like one Bernadette lease with Mika expired. For now, his ma say if we see her with the king, still we'll be sure to update you. But as we know, the thing said, a lot of Vybz Kartel, I don't want to say haters, but you know, say them supporters, say them social media lawyers, they're probably feeling great right now that, you know, Mika did alter the picture because, you know, them say if Shorty did their boat, them couldn't be doing all of this stuff. You see me? Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. No keeping up with Ivany, things got heated yesterday upon her life with her sensations, especially her moderator. She had to put in a check. You see me? I said, this thing with Shay and people is going away. You see me? Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
Tell me when she ready. Hey boy, I took up every my blood clot. Hey boy.
Vani.
Tell him.
Vani.
Yeah, tell him put them in there. Yeah.
Are you running your live, you know?
No, me see me take her down, but that's why here. Me's a person like this, me like sit down and hear
No,
too,
but me
like,
know, but the girl no do not, them not allow her to talk.
Yeah, and listen, and that's, let me tell you something. You see, Shay, my friend, and me no know this lady, and the comments, you see, sometimes ignorance, we not talk about Shay, we talk about comments. Shay have all right fit talk and disrespect the lady or she want disrespect
exactly.
That's because of all the lady black her, you know. So me leave Shay say talk to her that way because she was very because she very disrespectful to Shay. But is a reason why I never take her down. I'm listening. Me not make comments run me life because at the end of the day, we understand, as me say, we not speak on Shay topic. Shay have all right for course.
Exactly. But me when it comes to read the comment and I say take her down, black her. Come on now.
Yes, when it comes to me, I say lady, it look like I just, you know what I mean? Even if a person slow, I know everybody go fast. People, seven brothers, seven different.
So me I say, the girl never know if you black. You can't tell when somebody a lie. You can't tell she don't know nothing about them sitting there. So me have to give it.
Looking at the blacklist, it doesn't show that she blocked anybody. Look here. Even if she unblock, it'll go show me. TikTok show you everything. You see? Kizzy blocked the person upon January, February, March, April 24. Positive block somebody April 24. Positive block somebody the 24. Positive block somebody the 24.
Even if you go back a month, you don't see nothing such a block.
Blocks. Let me a recent block. What today our date?
Today is the 24th. TikTok.
Today are the 24 days are
say black the girl. Everybody entitled to them own opinion. You understand me? I said this black. People, much people come and talk and everything. Sometimes Miss Vani, me know sometimes you look a feeling and you say no, what a black. So probably that's why you black the girl. Can you
let me tell you something, you see? Let me tell you something. Me go add back shit. Let me tell you something faith. You see in a life, let me tell you something. And that's why I lose a lot of people and people not gonna like me. Me am my own boss. Me do what me want.
Exactly.
Nobody not tell me what to do.
They say black car.
So listen what happened now. Me not quick for just downgrade people and class people without hearing for them side. You see, if me follow everybody, me black the lady without give the lady a chance. So me tell you what me get from this. Me I tell you what me get from this. As the woman says she don't know about TikTok, as somebody share talk about she come look up for herself. The woman say she go up on Shay life, she realized that she didn't like Shay, and then she realized that Shay always in a bangarang. She Bagga took her. Where go up on Shay life, go say, say that done and gone.
And she root for that, she bright.
The woman said she bright. The woman said she come on my page and me I have one discussion about something and she never agree with me and she comments and she not agree whatever. I'm a black her. How much time people not agree with me? I'm a black them. None of people me black.
That's why me I laugh when she said that because I true she attack. Sometimes you know one bad mood and them don't know you Vani. So
a lot of people not
understand you.
A lot of people now say when me I say I'm a black. Tell Shay me I come. A lot of people
not agree with me. Black. So she probably was one of them night there.
Right. Sometimes people come even say, I now go to school. Me black them. Me black them. They get me and say, so now, if a person can get blocked and still fuck with you and come for your life and support you and recharge money, let me tell you something. You see when a person hate you,
then
and everybody are
say, should not come back.
Everybody are going to say, oh, I choose the woman send Vani gift me, Vani I buy you sweet. Brother, me get me and make me one money. Fear I look a gift them is nothing to me. But you have to look pan, you have to look into things. A person with 80, you can't even get a rose from them.
Exactly.
A person with 80, Even if a person did hate you and turn around like you, then not even send you a fucking rose. And for your person can recharge and stay and you know, so ever since she did on my live, I give me, she don't comment. Until me say user, me go and give a moderator. And at the time, let me see she comment and say, Vani, you did block me. That me feel like that is an honest thing she do. Like, imagine, she never did have to tell me, say, Vani, you block me, you know. She could have just take a moderator and just clutch back and just go and support the live. You get what me say, Faith?
Exactly.
She never have to tell me. So the fact says she come and she bold and honest and say, boy, Vani, you did block me, but I saw it go. Suppose, and she know me, I go ask her, what me block you for now? She obviously she knows all of this will go bubble down to this and we're going to find out this. She going to find out that she did back here. So if you did know say never did go bubble down to this, she probably would just hold her one and reply to nobody and just hold her moderator and just clutch back. So you get what I say?
No, but sometimes she just want vent because it's better for them vent and tell you how them feel more than them quality. And people not understand that people entitled to vent.
Yes, so sometimes we have to listen to people's side and just understand. So the disrespect, and then she go ask somebody, she must say something, and one of my moderator must say, oh, that fake page I must get moderator, and she must reply and say, where is your badge, or something like that.
But you know what happens? Sometimes
some people are going to say, Barney, are you sensation, Barney? And she attack everybody in the comments. Me now gonna just pick up for my sensation and just block the girl because my sensation them tell me she attack everybody. Me I gonna know what only did say make it one person attack everybody in the comments. What only say make she attack you know something.
But then she alone get black. Some of them rude and them must
it takes two, but you know get what me I say. It takes two to make an argument. A person that's support the part life and just start randomly attack everybody in the life. So me ask Sheen, cause guess what one? She never turned to me and said, Vani, KK said this, and that's why the girl said that. Sheen just said to me, say, Vani, she just start attack everybody. I turned to Sheen and I said, what did KK? And everybody said why the girl attacked, and then she said, okay, KK said this. So why didn't tell me from the first that KK said this? That's why the girl replied. You get what me I say? So when you're not gonna tell a story for everybody understand, you have to talk it how it go. Because if I was to listen to what everybody said, I just run go black the girl because me I got things that she just a come cuss everybody. You get what me I say?
Exactly.
Not knowing that something was said for her to reply back. You get what me I say?
No, but when me understand, they might disrespect the girl and expect that she not gonna talk like a while ago. They allow the girl
but
to
me
talk.
Me can't blame Shay. Me can't blame Shay and Queenie because she wrong for go talk about secret for Jaden. Me that black her too. No, so Shay we have cut her.
She have page. She a run over this so which me understand she bright. But when me I say over here so now, she a talk and them keep her allow her to speak. So if you go come and start violate me and me a talk to Vani, me a go raise up your backside too. So me understand she come from everybody her feelings. Yeah, when she talk and I'm a race her, give her allow her to talk.
No, make Shay have a right to cuss her, man. But
of course, you can she the bright, yes. But when she
people want to know what just come, them
then me allow her to speak. I mean, yes, somebody else start on her too.
Oh,
and she start raise them up.
Never disrespect her.
Yes, so that's why she start raise up her. Yeah.
She said KK asked her what page did she got black, and then she asked KK what badge you have. So if I say God, then you're very disrespectful for you, because if my moderator I go ask you say what page get black. Now must one them want know what page for go see who black, who want to know what the reason why them black is. So what you mean by when you go ask them say where your badge there? Let me tell you something, baby. There's a lot of sensation that support me from me just start TikTok. I know everybody have money to support people. People support you in different ways. People support you physically and mentally. Me have a lot of supporters who tap me screen. It take a lot to sit on TikTok and tap in a screen from 7 p.m. go to 3 a.m. and make you go 1 million followers. Those are real supporters. And everybody are going to have money for send. Like, you have supporting with gift. It's true people know so that money, people cherish the one them will gift them and put the gifters at top because them have the money I spend. Me not cherish gifter and put my tappers them at last. My tappers them get the same treatment as all gifter because it take a lot for somebody to on screen at top so.
And they answer
it takes
a
whole lot
Facts.
for somebody that on screen at top. And then when one person don't tap, everybody else get cussed out. So imagine you are tap from 7 p.m. now to 11 p.m. and just because I see one smile in your tap, me go cuss.
Sensations, we have to do better. Anyway, people, I suggest you check out these next videos when they sit on the screen. And in the meantime, because we're not going to longer this review anymore, I just wanted to give you them update while I want to go on with one burner done and ting-a-ling-a-ling. It's in my ass, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, I suggest you do so and turn on the notifications notification bell. Therefore, you'll be notified whenever I chat the latest in the dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossips. Bless.